This is the Bayfront connector, and it's a cloudy day, and it's spring season, so there's the leaves already on the trees around. Yeah, this is the Bayfront connector in Erie, Pennsylvania. So there is a Snap Fitness in here. So we are close to Bayfront College in the Penn State. It's not much traffic today. It's so good to see the trees, that there are leaves already on the trees. Yeah, it's so nice to see. Look at that. It's raining right now. Yep. Thanks for watching, guys.